All right, now that you know the Copperhead Road by watching our tutorial, we are going to do it again to all 4 walls without music. Ready?
Yep.
Alrighty, so we're going to start with a heel, 2, 3, 4, right hitch, left hitch, heel 1, 2, 3, 4, step and turn, 2, 3, 4, and step, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, hitch right, hitch left, heel, 2, 3, 4, step and turn, and cross, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, hitch right, hitch left, heel, 2, 3, 4, step and turn, and cross, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, hitch right, hitch left, heel, 2, 3, 4, step and turn, and cross, 2, 3, 4.
So there you have it, Copperhead Road to all 4 walls.